Autistic and ADHD people often experience decision fatigue, not because they're indecisive, but because their brains reach a point of being done. Too many options, too many micro choices, and suddenly the system short circuits on something as small as what to eat or which email to answer first. When every choice costs mental energy, the smallest ones can feel like cliffs. That's where AI has quietly become a surprisingly powerful accessibility tool. Not because it decides for them, but because it holds the decision space until their brains are ready to engage. Think of it like a calm, neutral external brain that says, I've got the details. Just tell me what matters most right now. When executive function is fried, AI can act as a sorting assistant. Neurodivergent people often dump in the chaos notes, tasks, reminders, half finished thoughts. Then they ask it to categorize by energy level or emotional load. It might say, these are quick wins, these require focus, and these can wait. They don't need a perfect plan, just the next visible move. That small bit of cognitive scaffolding can turn paralysis into progress. Another strategy is using AI to generate default templates for recurring choices. For example, meal planning. Instead of picking from scratch every week, AI can rotate 3 meal sets that hit the same nutritional balance but vary textures and sensory comfort. Many autistic people prefer predictability over novelty, and this lets them keep stability without mental drain. Or for ADHD professionals writing proposals, AI can store their preferred tone and structure so they can just fill in the variables instead of reinventing their brain every time. The key is using AI as a buffer between the brain and overwhelm. Decision fatigue is not laziness. It's a sign of protecting cognitive energy. Every time a repetitive or low stakes choice gets externalized, that saves bandwidth for things that actually need creativity, empathy, or focus. Some neurodivergent people even use AI to rank tasks by sensory comfort. What can be done with music? What needs quiet? What fits while pacing? But nuance matters. AI should simplify, not strip away autonomy. If a tool starts making choices that don't feel like one's own, it stops being support and starts being control. Many neurodivergent users build boundaries, even with tech. When an output doesn't feel right, they'll literally say, no, that's not how my brain works. Try again. It's a small but powerful form of digital self-advocacy. Offloading decisions does not mean giving up authority. It means designing systems that understand that capacity fluctuates day to day, and honoring that isn't weakness, it's strategy. So when the brain gets tired of constant micro decisions, AI can carry some of that weight. It can sort, label, pre-fill, and gently hold the noise until the person is ready to choose again. Because rest isn't inaction, it's preparation for the next right move.